I'm going to show you 7 Caey Neistat techniques that might help you spice up your videos. So come along with me as I go from here, Seoul, South Korea, to the island of Jeju, and put these 7 techniques to work. Oh, and did I mention I'm only using my iPhone, GorillaPod, and shotgun mic? You should pack light when travel vlogging. Here's a quick overview of these 7 techniques. The first technique is called continuous thought. What you do is you take your story and you string pieces together, but they're all separated by different locations. Actually, you just saw this at the beginning of this video. There's also the in-camera zoom. You just saw that too. Instead of zooming in and out with editing software, you simply move the camera closer to your face for emphasis. See what I mean? Next is the cutoff, where you're simply in the middle of a sentence or thought and you suddenly... Fourth, if you have a moment that reminds you of a movie scene, add a short clip that reinforces or exaggerates that moment. That's called an associative cut. Next, look to turn the ordinary into the unique by using unique angles. This is a classic Caey Neistat angle. It's common to use editing software for your transitions, but Neistat uses several in-camera transitions that are more visually engaging, like this swish pan transition, than other software transition effects. Last, speed up time and increase energy by using a rapid montage of a single task or single event, just like this. Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
To the beach.
To the beach.
And this is Hyupjae Beach, Jeju-do Island.
Daddy, your head is bug.
That is a bug? Is it still there? Oh no, what are we gonna do? Get it. Ah, blue.
Hey, it's this.
We need to get some food, right? We're gonna be hungry. Let's go like this. Okay, I think we're gonna try some Chinese. Push. 안녕하세요. 혹시 포장 있어요?
예, 포장돼요.
Look at all the noodles, sauce, other sauce, delicious sauce, spicy delicious sauce. Are you ready to eat, Blue?
Yeah.
Oh, that was delicious. But we got a little bit of an issue, unfortunately. Tomorrow, the weather forecast is for rain, and that's our only full day here at the beach. A full day of rain. What are we gonna do? Blue, what are we gonna do?
I don't know.
You don't know? My daughter's my cameraman. All right, fingers crossed. It has rained all night long. It has been windy all night long, and it's not let up yet. So it's pretty wild outside. Let's just take a quick look right now, but it looks like we're going to have a change of weather later this afternoon, but we're gonna still keep our fingers crossed, so we don't know exactly what's gonna happen. However, let's take a look outside. What are the current conditions? Okay, here we go. Hopefully you can hear me when we walk outside. It's so cold outside. It has totally dropped in temperature. Let's see what's around. Oh, totally lost the chair. Totally lost the chair. It's so windy. Oh my God. Are we gonna be able to go to the beach, or do we need to figure something else out? All right, I'll finish my coffee in the meantime. Well, looks like the weather's had a change of heart. So the sun's out, and of course it's time to go to the beach. And a little exploring too.
I do right here.
Okay. Okay, it's time to get a little bit of lunch. Let's go. Ready, Blue?
Yeah.
Let's go. Here we go. Okay, we found a restaurant. Let's go in. Jeju is a great place to visit if you ever head to South Korea. You've got good beaches and good weather, usually. There's an abundance of great restaurants and cafes to choose from. And life is generally less crowded and more laid back. It's been a great few days in Jeju. Sun, rain, sun again, beach, and I didn't even lose my time to head back home. The majority of this video was filmed with the Filmic Pro app. And if you'd like to see how you can use Filmic Pro plus the LumaFusion editing app so you can film and edit cinematic video all on your iPhone, check out this video right here.